Hello guys, welcome back to my screen one more time. And guys, today is Monday, and yeah, certain things need to be done before you can jump on any trade. So you don't just open up your chat and jump on any trade. So today being Monday, we all know that liquidity is not so much. So let's dive into doing some top down analysis. So before determining whether we have to place a trade at certain point or not. Yeah. So normally guys, you don't just jump on any trade, right? So here we have the 4-hour time frame as a day trader. So these are the things you should be watching out for as a day trader. So on the daily time frame, the market is still bullish, guys. On the daily time frame, the market is still bullish. You can see it's still bullish. And forget about these yellow lines you're seeing. They're all my psychological levels marked out. For those familiar with how I analyze my chart, so I usually have these lines on my chart. So basically guys, you can see the market is still bullish on the 4-hour time frame. So all that happened last week was more of a buy and a short sell. So we go over to the 4-hour time frame. I like in as much as I start my my kind of top down analysis from the daily, so I do more of my markouts from my 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so that's it. So guys, before jumping into it, you know how we do it, right? If you're new to my channel or you comment on this video for the very first time, guys, do wait to subscribe to this YouTube channel to support us so that the YouTube channel can grow as fast as should. And then as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, then we should be able to, as soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, we should be able to, start taking doing live trade analysis where we can take trades together and make some profit together, guys. So guys, to determine the direction of the market before jumping on any trade, so let's do our top down analysis. So we pick up our trend line. Let's see what we have. All right, market. Okay, so we have two areas, price touching our trend line. We have to mark our trend line, to touch at least two lower lows. When you determine how to draw out your trend line, right, you have to make sure your trend line touches at least two lower lows. Okay, that helps you determine the direction of the market. So now we have a trend line on the 4-hour time frame. We have two lower lows joined together. So when you join two lower lows together, you determine at least your trend line is valid when you're able to draw to at least two lower lows. It could be three, but at least two lower lows. Okay, yeah. So we've drawn that out. Then what next? Okay, we have to mark out at least the liquidity zones at least where we know that price could possibly get to before a reversal. So we're going to do that. So you pick up your rectangle. So this is the area that price touched, price go to this area, and then from here there was some kind of it started going down from here, right? Okay, so guys, this is the liquidity zone, right? Price got to this level and it started dropping. All right, now it might take some time, but we're expecting price to drop further. And should we take any trade maybe before the end of the day, we expect price to drop further, but we can't say price might possibly drop to this trend line, okay, because this is the 4-hour time frame. So we have to head over to the 1-hour time frame. Let's see what we have there. As a day trader, guys, so you have processes to all these things. Yeah, so now this is on the 1-hour time frame, right? Don't forget we marked out this zone. We marked out the zone on the 4-hour time frame where price got to and it got rejected. All right, we marked it out on the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 1-hour time frame, same thing is going to play out. So, but we have we need to have a little trend line here too on the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what price is actually doing from here. Then we have to mark out another trend line here. Yeah, and so basically, guys, this is what you have to always do, not just on a Monday morning, but before you jump on any trade, you have to patiently look out for these things. Okay, so we're expecting price to react in a certain way. We are expecting price to react in a certain way when it gets to these zones. Let me compress this a bit. Okay, now I think we have to consider this trend line. Okay, so guys, you can see that the trend line has been broken. All right, for those watching this video, you can see you can basically, there's not much liquidity today being Monday, but this trade is a very good one. Okay, it has broken my trend line on the 1 hour time frame, guys. So at this point, this candle is going to drop more to this point, so it means you can jump on this trade. For those following me, this is a very good trade, and don't forget, this is 1 hour time frame. We determine this move from the 4 hour time frame, so you can hold this trade for as long as possible for it to drop down to the next trend line. There's broken the trend line from the 1 hour time frame, so we expect it to come down to the next support zone, which is this trend line. That's what we're expecting. So guys, this trade is going to be a very good one. All right, so if you're new my channel, or you're watching this trade for the first time, do well to hit on the subscribe button, guys, and as well as the bell notification, so that YouTube can recommend these videos to as many persons that need to see this video, guys. So that's it. That's how you do your top-down analysis. So you might as well not take this trade from the 1 hour time frame. You might as well go to the 15 minutes time frame and look out for possible trend lines, possible resistance and support areas too on the 15 minutes time frame, guys. So this trade is a very good one, guys. This trade is going to drop up to this psychological level. It's going to drop up to this psychological level as 50, even more than 50 pips, because if you entered from this zone, you're expecting it to drop to this point, my next psychological level, and even below it, maybe to the next trend line that we rolled out from the 4 hour time frame. Guys, this is going to be a very good trade. It's a Monday morning, no much liquidity, yes, but from what we can see, yeah, price is definitely going to drop to some point. At least you can have this as your first take profit. You can have this zone as a first take profit. All right, you don't have to be greedy. Have this as a first take profit, down to this zone, and then up like this. Have this as a first take profit. You can see the way it's dropping, guys. So let me take a snapshot of this, and then let me take a snapshot of this. Yeah, taking a snapshot. Let me go over to the 1 hour time frame. Maybe it will. So guys, that's it basically. So I guess that's my time. So if you're on this trade, do well to jump on it. It's a very good trade. You can have a take profit from where I marked out, and as well as wait for the trade to play out properly. So let me take a second snapshot, and that's it. So guys, that's my time. Take care of yourselves, and I'll do more videos on this. So don't forget, when we started out this top-down analysis, we were patient. We ruled out our resistant areas, our trend line, and we didn't just open up our chart to jump on this trade, right? So what it basically means is that you need to be patient for your trade to play out. You need to be patient for your trades to always, for your setup to always fall in place. So your first take profit here, and then you look out for this other area as a second take profit, this psychological level. So if it goes below it and cut across this trend line, fine, but you don't need to take all the profits. Take some, then you watch out for any possible re-entry All right, that is how you handle this. That's how you handle your trade. So that's my time. Take care. Hit on my bell notification, hit on my subscribe button, and stay blessed today, guys. Bye.